Hi guys, good morning. Ayan guys, my menu for today is tortang eggplant. Ayan, simpleng ulam pero masarap. Ayan guys, niprito ko na. Ingredients ko lang po ito guys is dalawang egg. Ayan, at saka magic sarap. Hinalo ko dyan. At saka asin guys. Ayan guys, luto ng aking tortang eggplant. Ayan. Kain na po tayo. Ayan. At saka pritong saba ng saging. At saka panghimagas na saging. At syempre may kape. Ayan. Simpleng ulam lang. Ayan guys. Pero masarap. Almusal po tayo. Ayan. Yummy yummy. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye.